In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your shop name on Big Cartel. This quick guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can update your shop name easily and efficiently. Let's begin by navigating to your Big Cartel dashboard. This is your central hub, and you'll be familiar with this space if you've been managing your store. Here, you'll have access to all your store's settings and features, making it the first area you'll want to visit for any changes. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll need to look towards the top and click on Account. This section is your gateway to all the personal and shop-specific settings. It's essential for making changes to your shop information, among other things. After you've selected Account, direct your attention to the middle section of the screen and click on Edit Your Shop Info. This will open up a new area where you can modify essential details related to your shop. It's a straightforward way to manage how your shop is presented to the public. At this point, a pop-up window will appear. This window is where you'll find various fields pertaining to your shop's information. What you're after today is the specific field labeled Shop Name. You might have to scroll or skim through the details, but focus on locating Shop Name. It's usually prominently displayed to make it easy to find. Next, click on your current shop name. This is where you'll have the option to delete the old name and type in the new one you'd like to use. Make sure that you choose a name that reflects your brand and is easy for customers to recognize and remember. Keep it concise, unique, and engaging to make a lasting impression. After you've decided on the perfect name, replace the existing name with your new choice. It's as simple as deleting the old and typing in the new. Take a moment to ensure there are no spelling mistakes or extra spaces. Accuracy at this stage is key to maintaining a professional image. Finally, below you'll see a Save button. Click Save to ensure all your changes are applied and stored. It's crucial not to forget this step, as failing to save will result in losing your edits, and the old name will remain. And that's it! You've successfully changed your shop name on Big Cartel. This update will automatically reflect across your store, showcasing your new branding to all your visitors. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped streamline your shop management process. Be sure to check back for more helpful tips and tutorials.